In today's presentation, I will demonstrate Newton's three laws of motion, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton. The first law of motion states an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion continues in motion with constant speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This law is also known as the law of inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to maintain their current state of motion. The demonstration I'm about to show you will explain how an object, in this case, the cart, remains still until an unbalanced force, like the foot that is pushing it, causes the object to move forward. As you can see, the cart in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same straightaway until it is being stopped by an unbalanced force, which is the white pole, confirming Newton's law of inertia. Moving on to Newton's second law of motion. This law claims that acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. This basically means force equals to mass times acceleration. In other words, the heavier the mass of an object, the more force it requires to move the same distance on a lighter object. You might want to watch closely this example. In this case, two objects are being pushed down at the same time but with different mass. The purple object weighs less, so it moves farther than the green object that weighs more. The purple weight has a force of 2 newtons, a mass of 5 kilograms, and an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second square. The green weight has a force of 5 newtons, a mass of 2 kilograms, and an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second square. Newton's third and final law states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In this video, a balloon is being inflated with air and then being released. The air rushing down the inflated balloon is the action, causing a reaction when the air inside the balloon is being released, causing it to fly around. As you can see, these laws apply to many things that we unconsciously do in everyday situations. And that concludes Newton's three laws of motion.